back to my channel. So today I thought I would show you guys what is in my travel bag. So as some of you guys may know, I am going to Europe this week, and actually by the time I'm posting this I will be in London. So if you want to watch the vlogs, make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you know when I post. And follow my Instagram too at love.AudreyAnn because I'll be putting a lot of stuff on my stories and everything. But while I'm here, before I leave, I thought I would show you guys what's in my travel bag because we will be flying on a bunch of planes and I have to have something to do. This is also going to be like practical stuff, so like when we're walking around. Boom. So first I'll start with the outside. On the outside, I have my magic band because we are going to Florida first and we're staying in a Disney resort, which I'm so excited about. So we have to have these to get into our room. Why not make it pink? So I have a pink magic band here and my little card thingy that you can put your name and address and that kind of thing on, just in case like the bag gets lost. So we'll start with my front bag, and first I have my pink headband because when I'm doing makeup, this is extremely important because I have a bunch of flyaways. And then I have my liquids bag basically. I'll just quickly go through this because I don't want to bore you guys out totally. So first I have my lavender spray and my lavender roll-on because it's very hard for me to fall asleep, and this is very calming. Lavender is so soothing. I have stuff in here like toothbrush, toothpaste, floss. I have some hand sanitizer that I got from my mom. I have some lotion, and then in this bottle, I took some of my favorite body spray, and I just added I added some water into it. And then mix it up. This was just a travel bottle and I ran out of this body spray. The spray that I have it's Champagne Toast from Bath & Body Works, which I noticed very recently that a lot of people are getting that candle during Christmas time. And I'm like, wow, I had Champagne Toast before it was even cool. So I'm very proud of myself because it's the best scent ever, and I agree with everybody that said it. I always use too much body spray, and since that is a little strong, I just added water because I know how much I'm gonna spray, and I needed to dilute it. And then also in the bag is these stuffs that my mom found. It's like, it says Deep Cleaning Teeth Wipe Oral Brush Up. Basically, it's just like a way that you just put it on your finger and you can brush your teeth whenever you don't have access to a sink or a toothbrush or that kind of thing. So like when we're on the planes and the bathroom smells terrible and you just don't want to go in, just brush your teeth. It's so easy. So that is all that was in my front pocket. Now into the main pocket. First I just have my makeup bag. This bag was from Ipsy, which my mom did a couple times, and so she has some makeup bags, and this one was super cute and I love it because it was pink and it's just like adorable. I was able to fit all of my makeup in here. I'm also not going to go into all my makeup because I just don't want to. Next thing I have is this melatonin that my mom got. It's for sleep. It takes me forever to fall asleep, so thanks, Mom. There are a couple little pockets in here. I'll just go through the first one. So I have my scrunchie because those are extremely important, especially in a plane. I have a pen that I got from my mom, and I have a sleep mask that I got also from my mom. That's going to be super helpful for the plane because the lights don't always go out very good. And we're doing a couple night planes, so that'll be very helpful. In the next little pocket, I have this Burt's Bees strawberry chapstick that I also got from my mom because in the winter, my lips get so chapped. Like you guys could tell from my most recent video when I was doing the Too Faced eyeshadow, my lips were so chapped and it was so obvious. I hated it. And then I also have this nail file that I got a while ago. It's just a mini one. I think I got it like 2 or 3 years ago. I don't know. And then just some tissues for the plane. Next in this bag, in the main pocket, I have some Hershey Kisses and Crackle and that kind of candy. Also from my mom. Why am I just saying mom? This is for my mom and dad. Anyway, so I have some candy for the plane because why not? Next I have earplugs. I have 2 different earplugs. The orange ones are just for sound canceling. And then I have these pink ones in here that help whenever you're in plane for like the air pressure and that kind of thing, which will be very helpful because I hate when my ears pop in planes. The next thing that is in my bag is my jewelry that I'm bringing. I might actually put this in my suitcase just because I don't think I'll be needing to change jewelry in the plane. That's kind of dangerous. But it's just in this bag that I got with my Paris necklace, and it's Believe by Brilliance, and it's just a little gray pouch that came with it. So a rubber band and a brush, like a mini brush, which will be helpful in the planes again, of course. The next thing are these face wipes. I use these sometimes for my makeup and that kind of thing, but these will be very good for the plane whenever you just feel like really gross and dirty. These are really good face wipes. I've used these for a while, actually. So the next thing I have is this A Question a Day journal. I don't know who it's by, but I got it at Books A Million. And it just says A Question a Day, a journal of self-discovery. And I really like this book because it's just a question a day. It's like you get to know yourself more. Alright, so there is another zipper pocket that has some stuff in it, so I'll do that first. So I have a portable charger because these are extremely important. I have the charger for the portable charger, the earbuds that are for the plane, and then I also have earbuds. I have some earbuds for my phone. The last thing in this pocket are these wireless earbuds that I got at Target in the dollar spot, and the charger for the portable charger also works with the wireless earbuds. It's the same jack, so we're good there. That was all that was in that zipper pocket. And then I saved one thing for last just because of how pretty it is. It's just kind of like ordinary and everybody has one of these, but I didn't until recently. It's a pink water bottle. I don't really know what kind of water bottle this is. It's a stainless steel water bottle, but it's so pretty. Just look how pretty and pink. Like, it matches this. It matches my phone case that I'm filming on right now. So pink is just so beautiful. My mom said that she got it for like $5 at Walmart or Target, I think. So I'm very excited about that. So that is all that is in my travel bag. I'm so excited about Europe. Every time I think about it, every time I think about the places I'm gonna go, I want to cry because I never thought that I was ever gonna be there until I was like grown up and out of the house, and like I'm in shock that I'm still actually gonna go. Like I said, by the time I post this, it is going to be Monday, which means I'm going to be in London, but I will be posting Friday right after I post this video. So this coming Friday, I think I will be leaving for Paris on the 13th. Yeah, I'll be leaving for Paris, and I will actually be posting my first vlog this Friday. So make sure you guys are looking for that. So subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you know whenever I post it, or look on my Instagram at love.AudreyAnn, which I will be doing a bunch of stories on there, as many as I can do without Wi-Fi. Yeah, that is my travel bag video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did and you like these kinds of videos, feel free to subscribe down below and turn on post notifications so you never miss one of my videos. My Instagram, like I said, is at love.AudreyAnn, so if you feel like it, you can follow me on there as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much. Bye!